Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can share your matches you're having on chess.com. So let us guide you through it. So navigate to your chess match on chess.com, be it with one of your friends or with an opponent online or with the computer, or maybe even practice matches against yourself. So here on the right hand side inside that move history, so let me do an example move here. You will see these moves, and at the bottom of it you will see these options, and one of them is called share, like with that symbol here. Click into it, and after that you may, for example, download your current position on the chessboard as an image file by clicking download, or you may use the embed code by clicking into this button. Use that embed code here to copy it to a clipboard and to use it on your website, for example. Or you may use that invitational link here at the top. As you can see, I'm currently playing a practice mode, so if you'd like to invite, let's say, one of your friends, you can do that too by navigating to given a match method or play mode here, and use that share option to invite someone to view your match, or to maybe even participate in it if it's against a friend, for example. But you can also invite your friends to these matches as well. So it's up to you guys. That's at least how you share a match from chess.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.